Morning. We're working on a 2012 Acura RDX. It's got a P0302 misfire. So number 2 cylinders in the back over here, in the middle. So we're gonna take that coil out, which is right here. You can't really see in the dark, but that's it. Number 2 coil. There's a little 10mm bolt right there, nut. So we're gonna take that nut off, pull the coil out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna swap it with this one to show on the computer if the misfire moves to the cylinder number 1, and if that does, then we know it's the coil. Usually we'll just put a new coil in, but I don't have any to replace it with right now, so I'm just going to try that. So the check engine light was on, and there was a P0302. Showed you how to pull the ignition coil out using a 10mm socket and replace the ignition coil with a new one, and good to go. No misfires, and there we have it. Have a nice day.